Mid-State Tank Company Incorporated was founded in 1986 to manufacture stainless steel tanks for agriculture, specifically applicator tanks, nurse tanks, and bulk chemical storage tanks, all of which come in a huge variety of sizes, capacities, and designs. In May of 2005, Mid-State Tank expanded their product line to include aluminum tanks, trailer tanks, and pressure vacs. Mid-State has become a well-respected manufacturing leader in the agriculture, refined fuels, aviation, fire services, and industrial markets. Over the years, they've experienced phenomenal growth in products, employees, and manufacturing capacity. Located in Sullivan, Illinois, with a new aluminum tank manufacturing plant in neighboring Arthur, Illinois, Mid-State Tank has grown to 120,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Mid-State Tank works through a network of dealers across the United States and Canada. Products have also been shipped to Australia, Africa, and other parts of the world for various industries. Mid-State Tank supplies their customers with round and elliptical tanks in a wide range of capacities from 20 gallons to vertical storage tanks with a capacity of 30,000 gallons. Mid-State has the capability of producing custom-sized tanks of different shapes and sizes as well. Tanks for fire department, aviation, refueling, portable restrooms, and home water systems and septic tanks. The process starts with our professional sales force and knowledgeable and experienced engineering staff. The sales department works with the customer to develop specifications for a tank based on their needs. The sales order is then given to Mid-State's engineers, where a drawing is created for every tank ordered. This step happens whether it's a tank they've built for years or a custom one-of-a-kind product. Once the drawing is approved by the customer, the order is initiated and all of the components utilized to build the tank are fabricated. Meanwhile, raw materials including flat sheets of stainless steel or aluminum are put into inventory. Mid-State Tank maintains a $4 million inventory to ensure the best possible lead times. The flat material then proceeds to the seam rack and head press. The desired head, whether round or elliptical, is then placed in the head press to be formed. After the head is formed, the excess material is trimmed and cleaned for the job. Mid-State is one of the few tank manufacturers that have the ability to produce an elliptical head and baffle. The other flat material then goes to the seam rack to be joined together. Ancillary parts are fabricated as well. Once seamed together, the material is then rolled into a shell. The heads, baffles, shell, and other parts are then sent to the welding bay, where the tank is put together. Great care is taken as the tank is assembled that the engineer-produced drawing for that specific tank is followed precisely. It is imperative that all building specifications are met or even exceeded to ensure the best quality possible. Mid-State Tank builders have a sense of pride in what they do, and it shows in the quality of work produced by each builder. Once the tank has been completed, it is then hydrostatically tested for leaks. The welds are polished and the metal cleaned. After the tank has cleared the rigorous quality control process, it is then ready to be loaded onto the truck for shipment to the customer. Each load is then inspected to assure that the tank is loaded properly and is secure for the shipment. Mid-State Tank builds all tanks to the highest standards in each industry they are involved in. Mid-State Tank Company is ASME certified, DOT approved, UL 142 listed, and ISO 9001-2008 QMS registered. Mid-State Tank is certified to build Transport Canada 406. For more information, call Mid-State Tank at 217-728-8383.